Good morning, dear students. Students, welcome to your drawing lecture. So students, today we are going to learn a new topic. And today's our topic name is umbrella drawing. Okay students? So students, you are going to take your same A4 size drawing book for your drawing lecture. Okay? And that you are going to start on your right hand side page. And on index you are going to write the today's topic, and today's our topic name is umbrella drawing. Okay, so now we will see the materials. You will need your drawing book, scale, pencil, eraser, colors, sketch pen, brush, a bowl and your color dish. These are the materials which you will need for your today's lecture. And students, we are going to create a very simple and easy umbrella drawing. Okay, so you are going to follow the step I am showing you. So you are going to take a new page, and on right hand side we are going to start with the drawing. Okay, so before starting with our drawing, the most important thing is we are going to create margin from all the four sides of our paper. So the measurement which we are going to take is 0 to 1 centimeter. Students, I have already taken the measurement. So with the help of my scale, I am just going to mark the margin. You are going to take 0 to 1 centimeter from all the four sides, and then you will start marking the margin. So we are done marking the margin. Now it's time to write our today's topic name. And today's our topic name is umbrella drawing. So on top we are going to write the topic name. And the same way you are going to write on a index page also, on number 4. And you are going to also write the today's date. When you will receive this lecture, that time you are going to write the date of the lecture. Okay. Now first we will start creating the outer border of our umbrella. Okay. So students, you all can use a rounder to make a half circle, or else you all can also use a plate which you all can keep in the center. With the help of plate you all can create a half circle. I am going to do it directly with the help of my hands. If you all want, you all can do directly also, or else you all can use rounder or a big size bowl or a plate. Okay. So first draw it lightly, because if it's coming properly, then only we are going to darken it. Just like this, okay? Now if it's coming correct, just darken it. Now students, at this point we are going to show the handle of our umbrella. Okay. So from up, we are just going to show the handle with the help of scale. Now students, we are just going to do the simple look. We are going to show two eyes and one small mouth over here. Okay. For that we will erase the between line, but not the entire line, only the half line. First I have done it lightly. Now just I am going to darken it. Students, after done with this much, we are going to use light blue color to color our umbrella, and for eyes and for mouth we are going to use black color and red color. Okay, so first we will start with a blue color. So I am going to use blue color to color my umbrella. Just we are not going to color the eyes and mouth with the help of blue color. The entire we are going to do with the help of blue color only. Even the handle we are going to do with the help of blue color. See students, I am not going to give color inside the eyes. As I told you, for eyes we are going to use black color. The entire thing we are going to do with the help of blue color only. Just complete with the help of blue color. Students, till here only we are going to use blue color, and the remaining part where there we are going to use red color. Okay, just fill the gaps which are there with the help of your color only. Okay students, so we are done with coloring blue color to a umbrella. Okay students, now we are going to take black color, and with the help of black color we will start coloring the eyes. Okay, wait if your color is not dry, because if you will start directly then the color will get on your hand. So we will wait for some time so color will get completely dry. And students, for the up section also we are going to use red color only. Okay, so students, my color is dried from the up part, so I'm going to just turn my book, and I'm going to keep my book upside down, so it will be easy for me to use the color. So now with the help of black color, I'm just going to color the eye section, just like this. The same way for the second eye also. Okay, the same way for the second. Just like this. Now we will move to a mouth, and for mouth we are going to use red color. For again we will turn a book like this. The same way on the top also. Okay, with the help of red color we are going to show the top, just like this. Okay students, now students, for the eyes we are going to use white color. I will show you. With the help of white color we are just going to do the dots on our eye. So with the help of the brush, take white color and just show it on the eyes like this. First draw the big circle like this, and then we will show the small dot over here with the help of white color only. Okay students, so we are done with our drawing. If you all want, then with the help of sketch pen, that is light blue color sketch pen, you all can show the border like this. See students, just like this. And then with the help of red color, we will show the face also. Okay, the mouth which we have created, for that we are going to use red color. And for the top part also. So students, that's all for your drawing lecture. Okay, you are going to do the same way as I have shown you. Okay students, thank you.